Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to teach you describing words. But before starting the topic, I would like to show you few things. Okay? So be ready. So children, here are few things in front of you. Now I am going to tell you one sentence about each thing. Okay? So listen carefully. So first, let us see what are the things in front of us. This is a hairband. This is a mug. This is a watch. These are pens. This is a bangle. Now, I am going to tell you one sentence about each thing. Okay? This is a large mug. What kind of mug it is? Large mug. Okay? Now, mug is a naming word. Yes or no, children? Yes. Mug is the name of a thing. Now, listen to the sentence again. This is a large mug. Now, see the next one. This is a beautiful watch. Okay? What kind of watch it is? Beautiful watch. Now you know that watch is a naming word. Now see. Now I'm having two pens over here. Now I'll say these are two pens. Pens is a naming word. And how many pens are these? Two pens. Now see the next one. What is it? Bangle. This is a round bangle. What kind of a bangle? Round bangle. It is round. Can you see? Okay. Now the next. Next is a hairband. This is a red hairband. What is the color of the hairband? It is red. Now hairband is a naming word. And what is the color of this hairband? It is red. So I'm repeating the sentences once more, children. This is a large mug. This is a beautiful watch. These are two pens. This is a round bangle. This is a red hairband. Now children, all the sentences which I said, in all the sentences, you get to know something more about the naming words. All these are naming words. Now, whatever sentences I told, so in the sentences you get to know something more about the naming words, right? How? This is a large mug. Now the word large is telling us about the naming word mug. So the word large is describing the mug. In the same way, this is a beautiful watch. Now, in this sentence, the word beautiful is telling us about the watch. That watch is beautiful. So, beautiful is describing watch. It is telling us about watch. That watch is beautiful. Now, these are two pens. The word two is telling us about the pens. How many pens? Two pens. Okay? It is describing the pens that there are two pens. Now this is a round bangle. The word round is telling us about the bangle. Right? What kind of bangle? Round bangle. So the word round is describing bangle. Now this is a red hairband. In this sentence, the word red is describing the hairband. What kind of hairband? Red hairband. So it is telling us about what? It is telling us about the hairband. So children, all these words like large, beautiful, two, round, red, all these words are known as describing words. Describing words are what, children? They are the words which tell us something more about naming words. Children, now open page number 19 of your grammar book. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Clues are given below. First is, this is an dash man. Now all the describing words are given here in the box like hot, big, old, tall and heavy. Using these, you have to fill in the blanks. Now this is a dash man. What kind of a man is he? Old. So the word old is describing the man. So we'll write old here. Next, the giraffe is a dash animal. So we can see that giraffe is a tall animal. So we'll write tall here. Next, the tea is dash. The tea is hot. Next, this is a dash bag. Now you can see, children, what kind of a bag is it? It's a heavy bag. So we'll write heavy here. Next, Juhi lives in a dash house. Now you can see that the house is big. So we'll write big here. So children, all these words which we have used to fill in the blanks are what? They all are describing words. Old, tall, hot, heavy and big. And they all are describing what? They are describing the naming words. So children, describing words describe persons, animals or birds, places or things. And they also tell us about the shapes, sizes and colors as well as the special qualities. And they also tell us how many are there. Let's move further to the next page, page number 20, exercise B. Now here also you have to fill in the blanks with describing words and the clues are given below. Now in the box there are some words mentioned and they all are describing words. So you have to use them to fill in the blanks. The words are rich, juicy, red, sunny, fat, tall, wet, black and woolen. Now first we have dash roses. What kind of roses are they? Red. So we'll write red here. Next, what kind of a tree? Tall tree. Right? So we have written tall here. Next, a dash hen. What kind of a hen can you see here? Fat. Dash shoes. And now as you can see, the shoes are black. So we'll write black here. So black shoes. Next, what kind of a towel? Wet. So a wet towel. A dash girl. Now the girl is showing kindness to this animal. So we'll write a kind girl. A kind girl. A dash cap. A dash cap. Now what kind of a cap? Woolen cap. So a woolen cap. Dash oranges. What kind of oranges? Juicy. So juicy oranges. A dash man. Now what kind of a man? Rich. Next, what kind of a day? You can see the sun shining brightly. So a sunny day. Let's move further to page number 21. Now here again you have to look at the pictures and then fill in the blanks with correct describing words. The elephant is a dash animal. Small or large? It's a large animal. So we'll write large here. Second, yesterday was a dash day. Hot or cold? The picture shows the sun shining brightly, so it's a hot day. Next, this glass is empty or full? See children, is the glass full or empty? It is full. Next, Richa is a dash girl. Fat or thin? So this is Richa here. So she is a fat girl. Next, Ankit's bag is heavy or light? Children, look at Ankit's bag. He is lifting it easily. So this shows that the bag is light. 3 more sentences are given here on this page, 6th, 7th and 8th. You will do them on your own. Now let's move to the next page, page number 22. Now children, there is a paragraph given here and you have to circle the describing words from it. You have to circle the describing words which are given in this paragraph. Now, since you know what describing words are, so I'll do the first sentence for you and then you will read rest of the paragraph and underline and circle the describing words in it, okay? I'll do the first sentence for you. The rabbit is a small animal, but it has long ears. So rabbit is what kind of an animal? It's a small animal. So small is the describing word here. Then, but it has long ears. Now what kind of ears it has? Long. So long is another describing word. Now we don't have to underline it. We actually have to circle the describing word. Alright children. So I'll read it for you. Then you'll find out the describing words on your own. Okay? It has a short fluffy tail and white fur on the body. It loves to eat juicy carrots and green leaves. It's a playful animal. When a rabbit hears a loud sound, it hides in a deep burrow. Okay? So find out the rest of the describing words from this paragraph and circle them.